Hello, my name is Lee and welcome to this video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to remove spots in Adobe Photoshop. So first things first is we want to switch our tool to the appropriate tool. That is going to be the spots healing brush here. So I'm going to press the J key on the keyboard, and as you can see we have the tool selected. Then we can use the brackets key in order to increase or decrease the size of our brush, and we want to find one that is appropriate for the resolution of your image. And once you've done that, make sure that the mode set up here is set to normal, and then we can simply just left click and paint out these spots. So now you can go around the image and just start to paint out all of the different spots, just like this. And so once you're finished, you'll end up with something that looks like this. So that's how you remove spots in Adobe Photoshop. I'd like to thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you like this video, to hit the subscribe button and the notification button. And until next time, thank you for watching and bye bye.